Alright, let's talk about money. Not theory, not fluff. Real, practical, income generating workflows that you can start using today. In the last lessons, I gave you the playbooks for AI powered content creation and landing pages. You've got the tools. Now, it's time to actually use them, because we're stepping into the business models that matter most. And the first one we're mastering is the engine of online income, ads, and marketing. Here's the thing, just 2 years ago, launching a real marketing campaign was a nightmare. You needed a copywriter for the words, a designer for the visuals, a media buyer to handle the settings, and you're looking at minimum 2 weeks of work and somewhere between $2,000 and $5,000 just to test a single idea. Today, the game is completely broken in the best way possible. I can sit down with a cup of coffee at 8 a.m. and by 8:45 I have a fully branded campaign, 20 variations of ad copy, high converting images, and a landing page ready to take money. That's 45 minutes, one person, one AI setup. That's what this lesson is about. I want you to stop thinking like a worker who spends hours crafting one caption. I want you to start thinking like an ad wizard, someone who commands AI to build the entire system for them. Let's get into it. Section 1. Why this lesson is different. Now, before we jump into the workflow, I want to be upfront with you about something. Everything I'm about to show you isn't theory I pulled off a blog post or a Twitter thread. These are the exact workflows I've tested with my own money, my own time, and yes, my own failed campaigns. I've gone through the wasted budgets, the landing pages that bombed, the late nights staring at dashboards wondering what went wrong. I did all of that so you don't have to. What I've done is take all of those lessons, the wins, the mistakes, the oh, that's what works moments, and package them into a system you can actually replicate. Proven case studies, personal cheat codes, real numbers. And here's my goal. I don't just want me getting results, I want you getting results. Whether you're a content creator, a performance marketer, a freelancer, or a business owner running your own store, anyone in this room should be able to walk away and actually make this work. Okay, let's talk about who this is built for. Section 2. Who this workflow is designed for. I designed this specific workflow for 3 types of people. First, the shop owner. You're running an e-commerce store or a local business, and you've tried ads before, maybe on Facebook, maybe Google, and you've burned money without seeing real returns. You're not sure if it's the copy, the targeting, or the offer. You just know it's not working and it's frustrating. Second, the performance marketer. You know your stuff. You understand CPMs, CTRs, ROAS, but you're drowning. You're buried in spreadsheets, managing multiple campaigns, writing variations manually, and you barely have time to think strategically because you're stuck in execution mode all day. Third, the freelancer. You're writing ad copy for clients and it's eating your entire day. You spend so much time producing that you have no time left to grow, no time to find new clients, no time to raise your rates, no time to build anything of your own. I've been in all 3 of those positions at some point. I know what it feels like to sit at your desk for 3 hours trying to write one good headline, staring at a blank screen, second guessing every word, watching your budget drain on tests that go nowhere. That ends today. Section 3. What you'll be able to do by the end. Here's what we're building toward in this lesson, and I want to be specific because these are real, tangible skills. Number 1, turn one brief into 20 ads. You'll learn how to take a single product description or campaign idea and generate high converting copy for Facebook, Google, and TikTok. In minutes, not hours, minutes, and not just one version, 20 variations, different angles, different tones, ready to test. Number 2, instant landing page outlines. You'll be able to walk into any campaign and with a single prompt, generate the structure, the angle, and the offer of a landing page that's built to convert. No more blank page paralysis. Number 3, analyze like a pro. Here's what most people don't realize. AI isn't just for creating content. It's incredible at reading data. You'll learn how to feed your campaign results into AI and have it tell you exactly what to fix, what to scale, and what to cut. It's like having a senior media buyer on your team, available 24/7. And number 4, this is my favorite, build your ad lab. By the end of this lesson, you're going to have a personal template prompt system, a set of prompts you can reuse every single day that basically runs your workflow for you, your own little ad engine humming in the background. Now here's the interesting part. We're not just going to talk about these things. I'm going to walk you through each one step by step, like we're sitting at the same screen together. So here's where we stand. You now understand why this workflow is a game changer, who it's built for, and what you're going to be able to do with it. In the next part of this lesson, we're diving straight into the hands-on work. I'm going to show you exactly how to build your first AI-powered ad campaign, from the brief all the way to copy variations, using prompts that are already tested and ready to go. No fluff, no filler, just execution. Get ready. because the next section is where things get really fun. Let's go.